We got a special guest today, picking up Paxton. He's recovering off an injury. He shattered his foot in a dirt biking accident, but we have an adventure today. I'm sick of paying for bagged salt, so we're gonna go find some bulk salt. And that way, when we're salting up our one property, I'm not consistently spending $100 on salt bags to salt the property one time. It should, if I ran the numbers correctly, we should be able to get it for like a third of the price buying it by bulk. And honestly, it's gonna be easier because I can just leave it in 5-gallon buckets with lids on them, pour those into the tailgate spreader from the back of my truck, basically. So that is the goal today. We gotta go find some salt. Other than that, we got another storm coming in, so I don't know if we're gonna roll into the same video or have two separate videos. Probably depends on how long today's adventure takes. But we just gotta wait for Parker to get out here, and it looks like he's coming out right now. You have to sit on the snow pants because I spilled my coffee.
Of course you did. That's all you do is spill it in here. It's like a pig pen. Well, I'm not gonna name names, but someone plowed the snow in front of Josh's trailer. Not Ron's.
Not Ron's trailer. That's mine. So we gotta get some snow out of the way. Get this ice sheet out of the way. And I'm gonna go put the camera out there and you guys can watch. Nice big wall of snow. It's probably ice now. All right, so that wasn't fun. We got that sheet of ice, block of ice moved. As you can see, that is a chunk. So that's why that was not fun to move. But we got it cleared out. Gonna get the trailer hooked up, go grab some salt. So life of a plow guy, everything always goes wrong when it can and when it can't. Just pop the fuel line or something. Spilling diesel all over the lot. So, well, luckily we have half a tank. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but our shop's only a mile down the street, so we should be able to make it. Hopefully it's something stupid, something simple we can get some parts for, because we got a big storm coming in about 24 hours, so we gotta get back on the road, boys. I don't think we're getting salt today though, huh? I don't think so.
Unless it's a quick fix.
Unless it's a quick fix, pops on the back end, I hope. Oh.
Fitting was a
something. What is up, guys? Let's get rolling right into another storm. We got Jake getting in his truck now. He's ready to go. He's got his coffee. I got my coffee. We are in the truck about 1 o'clock in the morning, Christmas Eve, and currently it is 4 degrees out. Take a look at the wind chill, but it feels like -13. So should be a good one out today, you guys. There goes Jake. We will be right behind him, of course. And it is off to the races, guys. We only got about 2 inches of snow, but this wind is blowing fast. There's like 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. There goes Jake. You can't even see him. There's a lake right there you can't see. Visibility is very low tonight. It shouldn't be too difficult of a night. We might even get away with not having to clear some things because of how this wind is really going to be blowing this snow. Sometimes on nights like these, you know, with the wind blowing this fast, you'll go, well, I'm sure we'll see when we pull up to these lots. Some of these lots in some of the spots, there's going to be 4 or 5 inches of snow where the snow has drifted. Other spots, it will probably be dead clear, no snow. When it's blowing this hard, when the wind's blowing this hard, that's really how it goes. Some of these places are open on Christmas Eve, so we want to have it all tidied up for them in the morning. And we'll probably be laying some salt down once the sun comes up. I'm not sure. We got to check the temperatures. I'm not really sure how much good it's gonna do with it being so cold out, and with the wind blowing so hard, it usually just blows the salt all over the place. But we're gonna do the best we can, so stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get rolling. We got to chase Jake down. He's getting away from us. So Jake is up there ahead of us somewhere. He's only about 25 yards ahead of us. I don't know if you can see his lights flashing, but there's very low visibility. We are driving down the lake shore right now, literally. So we are getting hit with this wind pretty bad right now. But yeah, these snowdrifts coming across the street. It'll go from no snow to 6-7 inches in one spot like nothing, just because that's where the wind's blowing everything. So you got to be careful for that. that's where we're out clearing tonight, just clearing up some snow drifts, and should be a fun one with zero visibility. Yeah, Merry Christmas to us. Thank you guys for joining us for another storm, and let's see if we can go bang this thing out, go get some sleep so we can enjoy some family time. My sister just got back from California, actually. Her and her boyfriend's flight kept getting canceled because of the weather, and they were finally able to hop on a bus and had to drive about 5 hours on a bus to get up here tonight. So we will get to see them tomorrow. Should be cool, and thank God they were able to get here safely. We just got to get through this storm tonight, and we will be able to have a good Christmas. It looks like we may actually be getting some more snow on Christmas Day. I don't know if it will be the same video, new video, but either way, Jake is blinding me with this snow right now. I don't know what you guys can see, what you can't see. I can't see anything other than Jake's flashing light about 25 yards ahead of me. We're gonna go start downtown, and then we'll probably work our way back towards the church. That way it's all nice and tidied up for service in the morning. I would assume they have a couple Christmas services going on, and I really can't see this kid. He's calling me.
Oh, there's some snow, dude.
Dude, I can't see anything behind you right now.
Yeah, my wipers are all lights don't work.
Oh yeah, get out. I had to do that earlier. Alright, brother.
Alright.
Good luck. Guys, we are coming through town right now. The roads haven't really been touched by the plow. I'm hoping the highway is a little bit better. Because like I said, we're gonna head down to the city. Start our route out there, which is where most of our stuff is. I was just at Jake's house. A 15-minute drive when it's nice out. But when the highway looks like this, it can get dangerous. This is the highway. You can see it's pretty much down to one lane. It is usually a 3-lane highway with wide shoulders. But yeah, we're down to this little patch in the middle when it is Christmas Eve. So big day for travel. So hopefully this doesn't really affect that. Let's get some plowing done, guys. I know you're probably sick of me talking. One more big old bridge right here, and then we will be at our first destination. Once we get over there, it's pretty much smooth sailing for the rest of the night because all our lots are pretty much right next to each other. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get into some good snow plowing action. We're gonna pull up into our first property here, drop our blade, and it actually looks like they don't have much snow, so we might get lucky over here. So this is what I was talking about. Wind drifts, snow drifts, someone's behind us. Can't hit them. But as you can see, there's a lot of snow outside. I gotta go clean up my camera. Hold on. Before I hit someone. Nice first swipe. Couple swipes. A lot of this lot doesn't even have, probably not even an inch of snow. So what we're doing right now is just getting the big drifts out of here. Yeah, basically just doing a little bit of tidying up. I will roll the time lapse, and I'll put on better music than last time. I didn't do a good job at vetting that music, so we will do a better job this time. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the feature film. try to make this quick because it is freezing out. But this is what I was talking about. So with these high winds, this is how I pulled into the parking lot. No snow over here, no snow, which is actually awesome because this is where we have to back drag usually. But then you find over here, we had probably a good, I don't know, not much, but definitely 2-3 inches of snow. Same thing back in that lot. But this lane, no snow. That lane had snow. Like I said, over here, no snow. Back a lot, snow. So this is why, I don't know, it makes it a lot easier actually when it's like this. Because this is like clearing half the lot basically. So it makes our job a lot easier. But it's freezing out, so it's actually warming up. It's 5 degrees now. But you see what I mean? So usually I would have to back drag up in here, these couple spots. And then I start pushing this way. But the wind is our friend today. Decided to do the back drag work for me, so we get to just do this. Makes our life easy. Let's get back to it. Guys, we made it through another night of plowing. Thank you for coming along with us. We just got to go lay down some salt with our tailgate spreader over at one of the properties across the street. We just filled up with some salt. Gonna run over and do that, and then we're gonna go catch a nice little sunrise. We will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for coming along, guys. Vincey's Mowing Snow, out.